Listen to this audio.
The hallway was dark. Too dark. Something was wrong.
Now listen to this one.
The hallway was dark. Too dark. Something was wrong.
Same AI, same script, completely different performance. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to direct your AI voice the way a producer directs a voice actor, using style instructions, inline markup tags, and a few habits that separate amateur voiceovers from broadcast-grade audio. Every great AI voiceover in Fliki is the result of 3 levers working together. The voice is the actor you cast. It sets the baseline timbre, accent, age, and personality. The style instruction is your director's note. And markup tags are your inline stage directions. When all 3 agree, the result feels effortless. When they fight each other, say a calm voice with a shouting tag, you get something that sounds off. We'll come back to this rule soon. Open any project, click the voice name on a voiceover layer, and the voice picker opens. You'll see 3 different voice types, the 2 that matter most for this lesson. Multilingual voices, these are your performers. You can switch languages mid-sentence and handle nuanced emotional range. Some even accept style instructions and inline markup tags. Second are ultra voices, grouped by personality. They don't accept style instructions, but their default delivery is exceptional. Pro tip, preview at least 3 voice actors with a sentence from your actual script, not the demo line. To direct a multilingual voice, click the voiceover layer for the scene you want to direct. On the right, expand the audio section. You'll see a field called Style Instruction. That's your director's note. Notice both work together. The style instruction sets the mood. The markup tag triggers the specific delivery. The golden rule of style instructions: be specific and descriptive. Speak naturally tells the model nothing. Narrate in the calm, intimate tone of a late-night radio host gives the model something to act on. Markup tags live inside the voiceover text itself in square brackets. They fall into 4 behavior modes. Knowing the mode tells you what to expect. First are non-speech sounds in which the tag becomes audible, not spoken. It includes sighs, which inserts an actual sigh. Laugh, that inserts a laugh. You can pair with a specific style instruction. Amused laugh sounds very different from nervous laugh. It will insert a natural hesitation. Gasp and shaky breath. These are useful for tension. Remember, tags don't replace good writing. They reinforce it. A scared tag on "the meeting is at 4 p.m. produces something weird. A scared tag on "I think someone's in the house" produces real fear. Match your text, your tags, and your style instruction to the same emotion. Let's explore this paragraph from a thriller and direct it together. The hallway was dark. Too dark. Something was wrong. She could feel it.
The hallway was dark. Too dark. Something was wrong. She could feel it.
This is way better than the last one, right? Let's see one more use case. Multilingual voices can switch languages mid-sentence, which is huge for travel, food, and creator content. Here's a real example from the project.
¡Ay, bienvenidos! Mira, esto es Barcelona, ¿sí? La ciudad where everything is art, you know? When you walk through las Ramblas, you feel it, the energy.
Notice the dynamic range: pumped, breathing hard, explosive, then warm. That arc is what makes coaching, podcasts, and motivational content. Sometimes AI voices mispronounce brand names, acronyms, or foreign words. Fliki has a pronunciation map for exactly this. You can access it by clicking on the 3 vertical dots on the top right of the editor. Using it is simple. Just add an original word and a replace with phonetic spelling. Fliki swaps it whenever it appears in your project's voiceover. So the voice will be your actor, style instruction will be your director's note, markup tags will be your stage directions, and pronunciation map will act as your safety net. Use them together, and you'll produce voiceovers that sound less like AI reading and more like a person performing. Open a project, try one of these scripts, and tag us with what you make.